Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to test the servo motor with the Arduino. To test this servo motor, we will need a servo motor, Arduino Uno, and data cable to transfer the code. Let's start the video. First, we have to take the Arduino and upload the code to the Arduino Uno. To upload the code to Arduino, we have to open the Arduino Droid app. In this app, we have to go to the sketch option. There, libraries example. Click on the libraries example and built-in libraries. See, I have to click servo, sweep. Now compile the code and upload the code to the Arduino Uno. The code is fully uploaded. Now connect the servo motor. Connect servo motor positive wire to plus 5 volts and negative wire to ground and signal wire to pin number 9 of Arduino. Now the connections are completed. Connect the power supply to Arduino. See, the servo motor is turning. We can also change the degrees of rotating of servo motor. Now I set this degree to 90 degree and here also I am setting to 90 degree. Now compile the code and save the file. Now compilation is finished. Upload the code to the Arduino. See, the Arduino is rotating in 90 degrees. You can also change the speed of servo motor by typing the time seconds. I have set the time to 10 seconds. Compile and upload the code. See, the servo motor is rotating speed. The project is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.